Good morning, YouTubers and Facebook friends. I'm fired up my little homemade blacksmith outfit this morning. We're burning lump charcoal, just regular old charcoal. We're using a hair dryer for a blower, and you can see we can get plenty of heat. I can easily forge this in any shape I want now. This is my homemade anvil. It's made out of a railroad rail and some odd scrap parts. I've got a foundry furnace to melt aluminum and brass and things like that in. So I'm just a little homemade setup here in the Missouri Ozarks. Something to do in the winter time. I like to do this during the winter when it's cold outside.